so pretty. Can you see that sparkle in my car? Makes me so happy. Yay! As usual, I am taking a picture of my bag of the day. Ooh, look at this bling. The sparkle in my car comes from my bag charm, my brand new Princess Crystal Heart in the rose gold. This is no blitz, no filter, just the direct sunlight, which makes it super sparkly. Thank you, Girlies, so much for placing so many big Christmas orders. I will get your orders out as soon as possible. They're always in the making. Ooh, so pretty. Can you see that sparkle in my car? Makes me so happy. Yay! So she always makes me so happy. So I feel like I didn't really make an intro to this video. I didn't really plan to vlog today and I'm kind of in a rush. I am going to, can you guess? Yes, of course, we are going to Chanel. My essay called me and oh, that dream bag from the 22C collection. I've been waiting and waiting. I finally am getting it. Only one came, so I am super honored to be able. Yes, this is how it is with Chanel today. These items are just saved for the VVIPs and VIC customers. Like my essay is walking with me into the room and she's even wrapping it in the fitting room. Yes, but first I'm going to visit my grandparents and I'm going to have lunch with them. After that, I have a 2 Christmas dates with my friends, and also you can see my hair is getting lighter, so I'm getting more used to this color now. I know so many of you love this color on me, and I definitely think it looks good in camera. Not because I don't think it looks good in person, I'm just not used to ashy colors and the silvery tone, but you can see it is fading more into a golden color, so that is better for me, but you can still see the silver tones in it. Yay! But thank you, Girlies, so much for all of your sweet comments about my hair. And don't forget that I have a Chanel giveaway for you. Yes, at the closest to the 19S, I got some unicorn babies for you from the 22C collection. And all of you are also going to get my sparkly bag charm of your choice, any one of them. So yes, go to check that out. All your Christmas orders are in the making. Thank you, Girlies, so much for all of your sweet support. I can't wait for you to receive your orders and the gifts for your loved ones during Christmas time. When you see this video, the offer may still be up for just one more day. I'll leave the discount details and everything right here with the free gift offer. And I guess that is it for the intro. I will show you what I'm wearing when I am in Chanel. So let's go. This song always makes me so happy. I'm arriving and it feels like I am home. I have always been a fortress, gold secrets deep inside. So I have arrived inside the mall now and I'm trying to find a spot for parking. Yeah, I am so excited. Can you see that my hair is changing color in every single lighting, so it looks like I have a brand new hair color every time you see me. Yay, I have arrived here at Chanel. Do you see the baggie in the back? It is already packed, but my essay is still going to get me some brand new things to try on. Feeling so princessy. This is what I'm wearing today. So my Chanel new jumper in white, the tulip dress that I'm wearing underneath. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it so much, and it matches perfectly to my Chanel 19S classic flap and my new rose gold bling heart. Yes, so you see, cuckoo, waiting for it to get packed, and I'm going to try on some ready to wear. So this all pink brought in for me, so I'm going to try on this jacket, which is the cream jacket of 22C. So beautiful, and this jumper, so pretty. Are you ready? What? Yes, look at this baby. Oh my gosh. Ooh. She is perfect in caviar leather. You can see here side by side to the 19S. it is kind of slightly, just a little bit lighter in color and caviar. Oh my gosh, just without the iridescent. You know how much I love the iridescent pink 19s. Oh, this is totally sold out and so rare in the small size. Only one came in and saved for me, and she is perfect. Oh my goodness, yay! So pretty, I'm so happy. So beautiful. And I'm going to try on some pink shoes and ready to wear. Trying on these sneakers as well, but I don't really like these. What do you think, girlies? Must get right. Oh, super expensive, but so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Look at that caviar. So blingy, shiny. Tell me if you can see any difference from the 22C and this 19S, my favorite. But this is kind of also a good way to give this baggie a little break from all the use. These are the babies side by side, so I brought my 19S for a reason. I want to see how close they look, and they're really close to each other. This cardigan though, it's so beautiful. Love the color, but this doesn't sit like perfectly, and it is so expensive, so maybe I should not. Currently waiting for my essay to pack my things. And I don't really know about this one, still thinking about it. But the shoes, and oh my gosh, those ballerina shoes and the bag. So pretty. This is me, I'm sitting right here. My hair color is like this. Hey, so I just came out from Chanel. Look at that queue. Ta-da! Look what I got. Can you guess? So I am back in my car and I have the shopping bags behind me. I'm actually just going to keep them in my car, so I don't want to walk around with them. They are super heavy. Oh, I'm so happy for the things that I got today, and I can't wait to finally film my Chanel 22C haul. As I got quite a lot of pink stuff. Pink all the way. I am so happy that I came today, and I've got some really pretty goodies. Yes, so I am going to have the Christmas afternoon tea now. So I'll see you then. Wow, this Christmas set. I have arrived here at the Conrad Hotel. Look at this latte. So precious. Oh my goodness. And our Chanel Peggy is here. And I'm here with the girly girl, Wendy. Hello. So we'll see her again and again for our afternoon tea dates. Our Chanel Peggy dates. Yay! So pretty. So we are just taking pictures here at the Christmas tree, and someone was helping us to take pics, but look at the background. So many people just for taking pictures right here. Found this very pretty place that is super pink. Like everything here is pink. The mall is closing, and this is a very pink Lady Dior bag. Can you see? Same color as my small classic flag. It even has like a gold back charm right there. eating again. So we're having some fried rice. I'm having a steak. 呢個係咩炒飯嚟㗎？三文魚。三文魚炒飯，加咗啲牛油果，又煎蛋啦。Fries steak 呢個底下會有蘑菇啦，有薯仔啦，好多菜咯，係啊，好多菜咯，好好食。I am back in my car. I'm really sorry that I didn't. Okay, so my GPS, I know it's still speaking in Danish. I'm just used to it, and I do use my GPS in Danish. I'm going to drive back home, and it's going to be a long drive. It has been such a sweet day, and I didn't really vlog a lot because when I'm together with my friends and my family, I wish to not be so much on the camera just because I want to be there. I don't have a lot of time to hang out with people. I really want to enjoy it and be there. And we were talking so much, so no time for vlogging, but lots of pictures, and I will probably throw so many into the vlog as well. I was going to meet with another girlfriend in the evening for the German dinner, as I said, but her daughter suddenly got sick and she had to bring her to the hospital. So this sweet Wendy girl that you have seen in several of my vlogs now, she is actually a very sweet follower of mine, and I can't believe it, but we have become friends today, and I'm so happy. Actually, so many of my true very close friends, I got to know them because they purchased my back charms, which is I really feel like my back charms has brought me so much good luck, especially my lucky crystal hearts. You know, even my closest friend Angel, I got to know her because she purchased my back charms, and that was how we got to know each other. Oh, I am just so happy that I saw her the first time, as it is really the first moment you know that you are going to love that person and enjoy spending time with that person. And she is just so sweet and so kind and loves taking pictures as me, and it is just so nice. Yes, I really hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do some singing so I don't fall asleep, as I am so full, and I am the kind of person that gets really sleepy when I'm full, and that is just not good when you're driving on the highway, right? So yes, I will be leaving now, and I will see you again soon. I just came back home. Oh, my telephone. Yes, if you don't know why I'm saying this, it's because I enjoyed it last year, and that is why I keep saying ouch, my tailbone, when I've been sitting for so long. I just came back home, and gosh, it is more than 1 o'clock midnight. So I am back home. Yes, do you see the Chanel baggies in the back? And my doggies, they are super overly excited. Always jumps on me when I'm getting back home and it is super cold. My husband is coming there with some chicken for the doggies. Look, oh my goodness, so beautiful, right? Sparkly. So happy whenever I see this beautiful pink Lindiess Christmas tree. It just makes me truly happy. Hi, Tinila. How to sound it, my yum, mommy Tinila. All the doggy toys. Mama, this is baby son Simba. But yes, girlies, it was such a lovely day. Really hope that you enjoyed this sweet little vlog. It didn't go as I planned, but I got to visit my grandparents and also meet up with this sweet girlie, and yes, Chanel shopping, of course. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will try my best to edit it as soon as possible. We're just super busy during Christmas time, you know, the busy season of the year for both of my businesses. Thank you, girlies, so much for all of your big love and support. I can't wait for you to receive all your Christmas orders, and we are making, so I'm very sorry that this video is going up later than expected, so I will extend the offer just for a few more days, so don't miss out on it. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. So I will see you again really soon next time. Till then, please stay beautiful, happy, and blessed. I will see you again next time, girlies. Bye! Can you believe it? I scored some unicorns for you that are so hard to get from the Chanel 22C. Yes! I am so excited and can't wait to show you what I got for you.